Hello everyone, my name is Adam Roge and I'm here to talk to you today about how OPSWAT helps to protect the world's critical infrastructure against cyber attacks. First, let's discuss what is critical infrastructure. Critical infrastructure is the technology and systems that provide the essential services our world relies on every day. This includes water facilities, power plants, government agencies, and other critical facilities that cannot afford to have any outages or disruptions. So how is OPSWAT able to protect these mission-critical facilities? The answer is with our comprehensive cybersecurity platform, which provides multiple lines of defense across all levels of IT and OT systems. When it comes to the IT environment, email remains the #1 attack vector cybercriminals use to infiltrate organizations. Malicious code can be hidden in file attachments, and users' personal information can be phished by way of malicious links. OPSWAT's MetaDefender platform operates on a trust-no-file philosophy and can be integrated into your existing email gateway to ensure incoming file attachments are scanned and sanitized. We partner with over 30 AV vendors to simultaneously scan these files, and through doing this, we are able to achieve malware detection rates of over 99%, far greater than any single AV engine would be able to do on its own. MetaDefender also utilizes our deep CDR or deep content disarm and reconstruct technology to protect against zero-day attacks. With this, we sanitize the file by breaking it down to the bit level, strip out any active content within the file, and rebuild the file without the existing potential threat vectors. Lastly, our proactive DLP or data loss prevention technology can detect, redact, and block sensitive data like PII or top secret documents that are both entering and leaving your organization. OPSWAT recognizes that external files aren't just ingested through email. Your organization may accept files through a customer-facing web portal or a web application. OPSWAT's MetaDefender remediates this use case by offering countless deployment options, whether that's through an ICAP integration, API integration, our self-hosted cloud, or even storages like S3 or Azure. Regardless of what deployment option you choose, the bottom line is that MetaDefender will ensure your files are free of both known and unknown threats before allowing these files to move around your organization's network. When it comes to OT environments, there's still a need to get these files into secured facilities. Perhaps you have contractors coming in with firmware updates for your field devices or project data from other external sources. Entire laptops can be scanned with our small boot and scan device known as MetaDefender Drive. Conversely, our MetaDefender kiosk, like the one you see here, or the small ruggedized version you see here, can be used to scan thumb drives and other removable media. Once these files have been scanned and sanitized, you can transfer them to our MetaDefender Vault, a secure file storage and retrieval solution that sits behind the DMZ, allowing you to enforce a no USB policy. The files can be scanned before entering, upon entry, and also at rest. Now, how do we get these files transferred through the air gap? Our NetWall solution gives you the ability to securely transfer data across the DMZ through physically enforced one-way traffic. It combines the best benefits from firewalls and data diodes and seamlessly integrates with both our kiosk and Vault solution. Now, one of the most important factors when it comes to managing an OT network is visibility. Critical facilities have a need to see what cyber assets are on their network at any given time. OPSWAT's Neuralizer gives you full visibility into your organization's OT assets by providing you with a neural map or baseline of all your devices and where they sit within the Purdue model. Should something come online that's not supposed to be there, it's going to raise an alarm and bring the offending device to your attention. Now, we've talked a lot about how to keep threats from entering your environment, but what happens if there's something that was compromised within the network? Imagine a cyber criminal infiltrates a water treatment facility's environment and attempts to increase the chlorine concentration by a factor of 10. How do we prevent this? For that, we have our OT Fuse solution, an inline IPS and IDS solution that serves as the last line of defense. OT Fuse establishes a virtual perimeter around each critical OT asset and eliminates unauthorized device configuration changes. Lastly, I'd like to touch on device safety. Employees need to be able to access IT networks, resources, and applications in a safe and secure manner, whether they are on-site or working remote. Meta Access is our secure access solution that provides compliance and posture checking to ensure that the endpoint that's trying to access a protected IT resource is in fact compliant with your pre-configured posture policy. The platform utilizes enhanced security features such as patch management, remote app removal, screensaver enforcement, and also has anti-screen capture and anti-keylogger capabilities. This is just the tip of the iceberg in terms of what our platform can do. If you're interested in learning more, please reach out directly to me or visit our website at OPSWAT.com.